Today I am reviewing the ASUS TUF A16 Gaming Laptop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS TUF A16 Gaming Laptop 2025 is a powerhouse designed for gamers, content creators, and power users who demand blazing fast performance, stunning visuals, and reliability under pressure. This laptop brings together cutting-edge hardware, a high-refresh display, and advanced cooling, making it one of the most capable gaming machines in its class for 2025. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 9 270 processor, featuring up to 5.2 GHz boost speeds and advanced AI-enhanced performance. This CPU handles multitasking, gaming, streaming, and creative workloads effortlessly, ensuring that even demanding applications run smoothly. Whether you're deep into competitive gaming, rendering videos, or juggling multiple apps, this Ryzen 9 processor delivers instant responsiveness, making every task feel fluid and natural. Paired with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, the TUF A16 eliminates lag, allowing games and applications to load faster and run smoother, even during heavy multitasking or intensive combat scenes. Gaming on the 16-inch FHD plus 165Hz display is an absolute joy. The 165Hz refresh rate ensures every motion, animation, and turn appears ultra-smooth, giving competitive gamers an edge in fast-paced titles. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides extra vertical space for productivity or gaming, while the thin bezels create a more immersive experience, making you feel like you're inside the game world. Coupled with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU and 8 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 VRAM, you'll enjoy ray-traced lighting, shadows, and reflections, along with AI-powered DLSS 4 to maximize FPS without sacrificing visual fidelity. Every game becomes a cinematic experience, whether you're exploring open worlds, battling in shooters, or designing 3D content. The TUF A16 is also designed for durability and long gaming sessions. Built to meet military-grade standards, it can handle the bumps, knocks, and travel of everyday life. Advanced cooling systems keep the CPU and GPU temperatures low, even under heavy loads, while the laptop remains quiet. The MUX Switch and advanced Optimus technology optimize performance automatically, allowing you to switch between maximum FPS and battery efficiency seamlessly, so you can focus entirely on gameplay or productivity without worrying about settings. Storage is equally impressive, with a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD providing lightning-fast boot times, rapid game loading, and huge storage for applications, media, and projects. Combined with DDR5 memory, this makes the ASUS TUF A16 a lightning-quick machine ready to handle everything from AAA gaming to professional content creation. Connectivity and usability are also top-notch. With Wi-Fi 6E, USB-C, Thunderbolt support, and all the essential ports, this laptop easily connects to peripherals, external monitors, and high-speed networks, making it versatile for home, office, or competitive gaming setups. In practical use, the ASUS TUF A16 excels across the board. AAA games run at ultra settings with high FPS, esports titles respond flawlessly, and even demanding creative applications like video editing or 3D rendering are handled effortlessly. The combination of powerful CPU, high-end GPU, fast memory, and MUX Switch optimization ensures that this laptop delivers future-proof performance for years to come. In conclusion, the ASUS TUF A16 Gaming Laptop 2025 is a high-performance gaming and productivity machine. With its AMD Ryzen 9 270 CPU, NVIDIA RTX 5070 GPU, 16-inch 165Hz FHD Plus display, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, 1 TB SSD, efficient cooling, and military-grade durability, it provides blazing fast performance, cinematic visuals, and reliable operation. Whether you're a gamer chasing ultra-smooth gameplay or a professional demanding high-speed multitasking, the ASUS TUF A16 is built to handle everything effortlessly.